This is Eric with Vanguard General Contracting, here for a customer code at 3924 Civil Road. Doing an attempt to repair. I've got two damaged shingles right here. We're going to do this one here, and I've got the nail lines marked out on the shingles above, as those will be manipulated in order to remove those nails and remove this shingle here that we're going to attempt to repair. I've got my replacement shingle here. I've got a roof snake, some roofing nails, and my roofing hatchet. With that, set this up and get started. Got my cat's paw here. Just gonna show. Some of these are a little overdriven, which is going to make things very difficult. Just pause to show you that quick. This here is completely overdriven. It's going to be very hard to get that out without leaving damage to this shingle. And then I saw another one right there, completely sunk in, overdriven. Continue. That one's completely sunk through. There's something going on. Nearly impossible to get these through. More sunken through. Just most of these are sunken in so much I can't even hardly get to them. Keep trying. Really sunken in here. Got it out. from removing the shingle, you can see that there's creasing on every single tab we touch. So that's even before putting in the new shingle. So this is going to be a completely failed repair. Not to mention, I'm still going to have to get up under here to remove one of the nails that was completely sunken in. So with that, I'm going to fail this. This is going to be an unacceptable repair, even just halfway through, because we've now caused damage to at least 2 other shingles just in removing the one. So that is a fail for us. I will put this new shingle in just for the purposes of keeping this watertight until we can resolve this. And with that, I will sign off.